Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you all again, and today we're going to be diving into my June portfolio update, and I can't wait to share how many things have been going on. Let's get into it.
Bro, you know what happened last time, just drive careful, please.
As many of you already know, I've been consistently investing in three main ETFs, VU, VYM, and SCHD. Let's break down the numbers and see how my portfolio is performing this month. So let's start with my overall performance. As of June 2024, my portfolio has a year-to-date return of 8.72%. The total value of my portfolio stands at $6,747.40, which is not bad at all. This steady growth month over month is a testament to the power of consistent investing and dollar cost averaging. Looking at the balance history, you can see the consistent upward trend from December 2023 through May 2024. Each month, I've been adding to my positions, taking advantage of market dips and riding the market's upward trends. Now, let's dive into each ETF, starting with VU, or the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This ETF has been the foundation of my portfolio, providing exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies. I currently hold 5.39 shares at a cost of $469.25 per share, with a market value of $2,000 and $681.20. This gives me an unrealized gain of $150.29 at a 5.94% increase. The S&P 500 has been performing well, driven by strong earnings reports and positive economic indicators. VU is my go-to for growth. It covers the top 500 companies in the US, giving me a solid foundation. Some of the top holdings include Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, which have been driving the market forward. The tech sector within the S&P 500 has been particularly strong, and I'm confident in the long-term growth of these companies. Next up, SCHD, or the Schwab U.S. Dividend ETF. I hold 27.70 shares at a cost of $77.61 per share, with a market value of $2,126. SCHD is slightly down with an unrealized loss of $23.41 and a 1.09% decrease. However, SCHD remains a solid investment for its high-quality dividend-paying stocks. The dividend income I receive from SCHD helps to offset any short-term volatility and provides a steady income stream. SCHD focuses on strong dividend payers like Pfizer, Home Depot, and PepsiCo. These companies have a history of not only paying, but also increasing their dividends. This makes SCHD a great choice for income-focused investors. Even though it's slightly down, the dividends keep rolling in, which is a big plus. VYM, or the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, is another key player in my portfolio. I have 14.23 shares at a cost of $116.06 per share, with a market value of $1,682. VYM has given me an unrealized gain of $31.65 with a 1.92% increase. VYM focuses on high dividend yield stocks, which not only provide income, but also have the potential for capital appreciation. VYM includes big names like Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan Chase, and Procter & Gamble. These companies are known for their stability and reliable dividend payments. VYM is all about balance, getting those dividends while still having potential for growth. Overall, my ETFs total $6,547 with an unrealized gain of $165.34, which is a 2.59% increase. My cash balance is $200, bringing the total portfolio value to $6,747. Let's talk a bit about my investment strategy. I practice dollar cost averaging, meaning I invest a fixed amount of money regularly regardless of the share price. This helps reduce the impact of market volatility and ensures I'm not trying to time the market. By consistently investing, I benefit from both the highs and the lows of the market. I also achieved a 3.03% gain last month, which is a great boost to the overall performance. This is a testament to staying the course and not getting swayed by short-term market movements. Now, let's discuss some potential future moves. One area I'm keeping an eye on is the technology sector. With the rapid advancements in AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity, tech stocks have significant growth potential. I'm considering adding more exposure to this sector through ETFs like VGT or the Vanguard Information Technology ETF. I'll be sure to keep you guys posted and updated on the next portfolio update. Another strategy I'm considering is increasing my exposure to international markets. While I currently prefer the US economy, diversifying globally can provide additional growth opportunities and reduce risks. I'm researching a few international ETFs and will keep you all updated on my findings. Let's take a moment to address some questions from my viewers. One of the most common questions I get is about how I choose my ETFs. For me, it's all about balance. I look for a mix of growth and income, and I prioritize ETFs with low expense ratios and strong historical performance. Another question I often get is about my long-term goals. Ultimately, I want to retire early, not to stop working entirely, but to work on something I truly enjoy, like content creation and being self-sustainable are some of my dreams. Investing is the path to achieving those goals. I also want to highlight the importance of staying informed and educated. The market is constantly changing, and being aware of economic trends, company earnings, and geopolitical events can help us make better investment decisions. I recommend following financial news, reading investment books, and watching educational videos to stay ahead. Lastly, I want to give a shout out to all of our new subscribers. We are growing steadily, and I appreciate all of the support. If you haven't yet, make sure to follow me on social media where I post weekly updates about my investments in VU, VYM, and SCHD. Your feedback and suggestions are invaluable, so keep them coming, and follow me on X @MushT. Also, I have some exciting changes coming to the channel. I'll be introducing more in-depth analysis videos, exploring different investment strategies, and even sharing some personal finance tips. Plus, I'll be doing bi-weekly uploads to ensure you guys get the highest quality. Stay tuned for more content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. That's it for this month's portfolio update, guys. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and let's grow our wealth together. Thanks for watching.